All right, time to go fishing. I've been sitting here waiting for the sun to get down a little bit. Beautiful evening out here. We'll set me a bank line right off them sticks over there, off of them rocks. Then we'll set a bank line off of that. And I got my little lantern down there. The old boat, little boat. Nice chair to sit on instead of sitting on them rocks like it was down there earlier. Chairs are much nicer. Here's my camp. Camp's all set up. Bunch of bullfrogs was going off here a while ago. They quit, but I'll get some recordings of them later. Oh, it's nice. The river's just really nice. So I better get my pole in the water and see what I can catch. Got a little fire going now. We'll cook me up some hot dogs here pretty soon. But I had a monster on there a while ago. Been catching a lot of little ones. But that thing took it and just took off downstream and kept on going. Yeah, man, there's nothing I could do. I was running down the bank and it went so fast he snapped that line like it was nothing. Probably a big old channel cat or, hell, big blue cat or, who knows, flathead, whatever. This time of night they come out and start feeding. Here's the bullfrog going on out there, but I ain't opening this tent door. Oh, he quit. Nice out here this morning. I done caught a few little channel cat. I could hear fish jumping all night long. I wasn't so damn old I would have got up in the middle of the night and fished all night, but probably would have had a bunch of them. But once I hit the sack, man, I didn't want to get back out in this. On that bank line, big old channel cat. And then go on down there. Bobby and Elena's coming up here in a little bit. But I'm gonna get my pole back in the water. I've caught several little ones, but maybe there's some more than big ones, because man, there's some big splashing going on out here. One there, a little shad or drum. What is that? That's a drum. Yeah,
Woohoo!
Look what you catched. He's like, wow. That look on his face. Oh, he's like, what?
He got you one.
Go. Look at that one. There's a 10 skipper. Oh, the gravel.
Let me see.
Wow.
Let me see. Woohoo!
Oh, you give me to Grandpa? Whoa, whoa. Ooh, I got him. You want to throw him in the water? There you go. Look at that.
Good job.
Go,
Woohoo!
good job. Yeah. Got one on. He's got one on. Keep reeling. He's got to figure that handle out yet. He's like, which one makes it come in? There we go. Now he got it. Wait a minute, I'll just drag him out on the bank.
Reel her up. Oh, you don't want to hit that one. That's a release. Here, reel. Reel. There you go.
Oh, you got another drum. He's got another drum right there. Look at there.
Look.
Woo!
You got another one. Wow.
Good job.
Another big one.
Here, let's get it. Your mouth is slippery, Dad.
You ready? You gonna put him back in the water? You ready? You want to throw him back?
Can't get a hold of it. Well, it started raining.
Turn around.
Alright, I got my guy right here. You okay, guy? How's it going? Food plot season.
Best day of the wilderness!
Put some beans over here this year. And of course some corn around the blind.
We got a lot of beans.
And across a little ditch here. Some more corn. And we're gonna do a little turnip plot over here now.
Dad, I got fertilizer in my shoes. Is that okay?
Yep. This is gonna turn out good. We got a lot of rain this year, so everything is really green. Hopefully it continues on that way and gets this stuff to sprout up soon. Alright, this is the blend we're trying this year. All kinds of goodies.
Goodies! We're out of farm.
And we got some buckwheat in here. With the beans and the corn. They've done awesome this year.
Helping the deer? Dad,
What's up, bud?
why are we helping the deer?
Because they help our bellies stay full.
Why are we cooking them?
Yeah, we feed them and then they feed us back. But yeah, the corn's doing good. The beans are doing good. Hopefully it keeps on raining like it has been. Get this stuff here to sprout up.
That's a deer house right there.
Yeah.
Giant. I'm gonna
So
if
see you
there's some
later.
deers nearby.
See you later.
See you later.
Ready? I'm waiting for you. Count for us.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I know, that's cheating. Woo!
Got our cabana up. Look at this little cabana. How cute is this? Got it on Amazon. And then it come with one grandpa. Then we got our floaty lobster and our chair and our Tilly and our Scrappy. It's a beautiful day. There's a jet ski going around and around. Yeah, Ezra Lake. Come on, let's go swimming. Me and Tilly are on a four-wheeler ride. Say hi, Till.
Hi.
Yeah, she's so cute. Here we go. and lots of wild strawberries. We circled back over here to see if we could see them in the water down here. And sure enough, there they are. Right there in the water. Mama moose and her little boy moose. A little cow. That's the moose we just saw up on the highway. And we came down here and crossed the bridge where we seen them go down into the water. So we came around over here to see if we could see them. And sure enough, there they are. Little bull moose and his mama. He better hide for hunting season. Look at that paddle he's got.